In this tutorial, we'll learn one more hook, which is useNavigate. So let's understand what this hook does. For example, if we get a condition in which we want that after one condition we do a transition between different groups, we'll do that using the useNavigate hook. So basically, if we use this hook for navigation, okay, that's how it works basically. So now I'll show you like an example on how we can use this hook in our program. So to do that, we'll continue our program. We'll close all of these files. Basically, this is our app which is rendered. We'll go to our home page. We'll make a button and we'll right click in it. So we want that when someone clicks on this button, it automatically navigates to the about page. So to do that, we'll import this hook and then we'll initialize it. Now, we'll navigate between different pages with the help of this variable, okay? Now, I want that when I click on this button, then I move to the about page through the home page. So to do that, we'll call the onClick method and we'll name it handleClick. So we'll then call this function, then we'll navigate with the help of where we have initialized, okay? So you'll have to write navigate /about, which means that you have to define the path of the route you want to go to. So as we want to go to the about page, that's why we wrote about. So now we save it. Okay, now we'll check it in the browser. We're on the home page, and if I click on it, then we will move to the about page. So this is how we use this hook to do the navigation between different routes. Alright, and now on to the next lecture.